Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe this YouTube channel and share comments in this video. Get started in this video, kids learn and grow. Today, we have an exciting video filled with study tips that will make learning fun. Whether you're preparing for a test or just want to improve your knowledge, these tips will help you become a superstar student. So let's dive right in. Scene 1. Organize your study space. Host. The first tip is to create a neat and organized study space. Having a clutter-free area can help you stay focused and motivated. Make sure to keep all your study materials within reach. Scene 2. Set goals. Host. Setting goals is important because it gives you something to work towards. Start by setting achievable goals for each study session. It could be completing a certain number of math problems or reading a specific chapter. Remember, small steps lead to big achievements. Scene 3. Use colorful study tools. Host. Who says studying can't be colorful and fun? Use highlighters, markers, and sticky notes to make your study materials vibrant and engaging. Color-coding your notes can help you remember important information. Scene 4. Break it down. Host. Long study sessions can be tiring and overwhelming. Break your study time into smaller, manageable chunks. For example, study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Repeat the cycle to keep your brain refreshed and focused. Scene 5. Make it interactive. Host. Learning becomes more enjoyable when you make it interactive. Create flashcards, play educational games, or even teach the material to a stuffed animal or a family member. Engaging in hands-on activities will help you remember concepts better. Scene 6. Study with friends. Host. Studying with friends can make learning a lot more fun. Form a study group with classmates or siblings. You can quiz each other, discuss topics, and even create study games together. Just make sure you stay focused on studying. Scene 7. Take breaks. Host. Remember to take regular breaks during your study sessions. Get up, stretch, or go for a short walk. Taking breaks helps you recharge and keeps your mind fresh for more learning. Scene 8. Celebrate your achievements. Host. Celebrate your accomplishments, big or small. When you reach a study goal or perform well on a test, reward yourself. It could be a small treat, extra playtime, or doing something you enjoy. Acknowledging your efforts will motivate you to keep up the good work.